Have you ever heard crickets at night and wondered what they're saying? Are they just making noise or actually talking to each other? A cricket is a small insect that lives outside and uses sound to communicate. They move quietly through grass and are most active at night. Crickets are part of the same insect family as grasshoppers, but they use sound in a very special way. Crickets chirp to communicate, and most of the time, it's the males. They chirp to attract females, like sending a sound message. Each species has its own song, so females find the right match. But chirping isn't just about finding a mate. Some chirps are loud to warn other males to stay away. When a female gets close, the chirp becomes softer and calmer. Some even make a special chirp after, like, a tiny celebration. And if they sense danger, they stop chirping completely. And guess what? They don't chirp with their legs. They rub their wings together like a comb to make sound. This is called stridulation. And here's something cool. Did you know that chirps can tell temperature? First, count how many chirps you hear in 15 seconds. Then, add 40 to that number to estimate the temperature. For example, if you hear 20 chirps in 15 seconds, add 40. That gives you 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Crickets move faster when it's warm and slower when it's cool. Quick quiz. Why do crickets chirp? A, to make noise. B, to communicate. C, to scare predators. The answer is B, to communicate. Did you get it? Great job today, scientists. Remember, stay curious, and I'll see you next time in Nova's Lab. Thanks for visiting Nova's Lab. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome science content.